Today, I am going to show you exactly how to merge tickets in Zendesk. Now, why would you want to merge tickets in Zendesk? Well, imagine this. You're managing customer support, and multiple tickets come in from the same customer about the same issue. Keeping track of all these separate tickets can be quite a challenge, and it might lead to confusion or even delayed responses. This is where merging tickets becomes incredibly useful. It allows you to consolidate those tickets into one, making it easier to provide a more streamlined and efficient response. So, let's dive into exactly how you can achieve this in Zendesk. First things first, you need to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're logged in, ensure that you navigate to the ticket section where all the customer queries are displayed. This section is essentially the hub where you manage all incoming and ongoing customer interactions. When you're in this section, you'll see a list of all the tickets. Now, let's say you have a ticket that you want to merge with another. Start by selecting the ticket you wish to merge. For example, if you have a ticket concerning a customer's login issue, and you know there's another ticket about the same topic from the same customer, it's a good idea to merge them for clarity and efficiency. Open up the ticket you've selected by clicking on it. Once you have the ticket open, look for the three dots icon. This is Zendesk's way of offering additional options for managing the ticket. Click on these three dots to reveal more actions you can perform on the ticket. Among these options, you will find the Merge into Another Ticket option. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will be presented with a new screen where you have to choose the ticket you want to merge this one into. If you know the ticket ID by heart, you can enter it directly. However, if you don't remember the ID, Zendesk conveniently lists other tickets below for you to choose from. Let's say you want to merge your current ticket into ticket number 6. Simply click on ticket number 6 from the list. Before proceeding, Zendesk will prompt you with a warning. It will inform you that merging tickets from different requesters can potentially lead to the unintended sharing of sensitive information. This is an important step because it ensures you're making a conscious decision about merging and that you're aware of the possible implications. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on the blue Continue Merge button. After clicking Continue, another confirmation page will appear. This is Zendesk's way of double-checking that you truly want to merge the tickets. If you are absolutely certain, go ahead and click on Confirm and Merge. The system will take a moment to process your request. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the tickets have been successfully merged. What this does is bring all the information from the two separate tickets into one cohesive thread, making it easier for you and your team to manage and respond to the customer efficiently. And there you have it. That's how you merge tickets in Zendesk. This feature is a real time saver and helps maintain order and efficiency in handling customer support tickets. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to merge tickets in Zendesk quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to merge tickets in Zendesk, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.